Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, going to learn how to view your Cash App activity. But before we jump in, if you don't have a Cash App account yet, check out my referral link in the description to sign up and start sending money instantly. And if you're looking for another great way to send and receive money with no hidden fees, check out Chime as well. You can use my Chime referral link in the description to sign up and start using it today. To start, open the website cash.app/login, then log in with your mobile number. On the field provided, enter the one-time code sent to your phone. Once entered, click on Continue. To proceed, enter the cash PIN on the field provided. Then click on Continue. Once you're logged in, you will notice that you are already in the Activity section. Scroll down a little to see the list of your activities and recent transactions. That's how you view your Cash App activity. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.